All right, I know you guys were all missing Excel in chapter 5. I know it was crushing for you. But it's back and it's going to be back for the rest of the course. I know you're excited. All right, so this is going to be the chapter 6 Excel tutorial. This is obviously going to be the first part of a multi-part tutorial. Let me move my little video capture thing out of the way. All right, now if I go to, I can see it in the assignments button, or I can see it on the schedule here. It tells me that I have to do 6-1 number 20, 6-2 number 30, and 6-2 number 38. None of those are available in the data sets. You can tell that if you go look at them. Here, I'll show you. Here, there, none of them available. That's actually pretty common, I'm sorry to say, in the latter end of the course. A lot of what we work with is not available. So I'm going to work on problems just like those. Not the same ones, of course, because I want to make you guys do it, but very similar. All right, let me see if that's right. Yep, 29 and 37, that'll be fine. Okay, so I made 3 different tabs, one for each one. If I needed another one, I would have clicked on over here and clicked on Insert Worksheet. All right, 6-1 number 19. Let me close this window slightly. It's not really closing it, it's making it smaller. And let me go over here and click on, there it is, the problem. This is 6-1 number 19 right here. And I notice there's a table. Chances are I'm going to have to type it, so I might as well. All right, I'm going to pause and type. I'll be right back. All right, I'm the Emerald Lagasse of the statistics world. I open up one oven and put something in, and then I come right back and it's already done. I love that. All right, so here's the table. Okay, so part A says to verify that this is a discrete probability distribution. What they mean there is that these probabilities have got to sum to 1. So let me go over here. I'm going to click the auto sum feature. Let me maximize this so you can see it. If you click here, it'll just automatically sum what's above it. Oops, if I clicked on it, which I didn't. Enter. Or you could just type the formula, look, equals sum B2 to B6. You can do that too, whatever. All right, cool. So for part A, and I'm going to insert a text box because I hate this whole writing in a thing. So I'm going to put a box right here. So for part A, yes, it's a discrete probability distribution because all the probabilities are between 0 and 1 and they sum up to 1. Done. All right, part A is done. Part B, draw a probability histogram. Hey, it's chapter 2 again. All right. Well, you probably don't remember it, so let me go through it. You highlight the probabilities. You can do the label too, it doesn't really matter. Highlight that, click on Insert, click on Column. Always choose this 2-dimensional column chart up here on the top left. There they are. We don't need that legend. Let me delete that. And this is, what was it? Let me go over here. The random variable x represents the number of activities a parent of a K5. Okay. Number of activities parents, oopsie, of K5 children are involved with. I'm ending a sentence with a preposition. I know that's not good, but oh well. Now notice that this horizontal axis is not what we want. This low bar right here should technically be 0, not 1. That's because we have to right click, format, where is that? Oh, select data, that's it. Sorry, I forgot. Select data, click edit for the horizontal axis label, and then for axis label range, go over here and click on these. Don't get the X and don't get the word sum in there. We don't want any of that. Click OK and say OK. There we go. Now 0 is this bar, 1 is that bar, and so on. All right, so that's part B. I better label it. Part B. Oopsie. Oops, I did that. Come here. B. There we go. All right, now I'm going to move this away. The only other thing, oopsie, that I should do is right-click, Format Data Series, and change my gap width to 0. Close. There we go. No gaps. That's good. All right.